Do you know the most convenient way to store bananas so they last for ages? With just one simple preparation, you can set yourself up with bananas to last for months. No more worrying about buying fresh bananas every single day. And the best part? Whenever you crave something cool and refreshing, you can instantly make a perfect, creamy banana milk. Ripe bananas are particularly beneficial because the starch has already converted into natural sugars. This makes them easily digestible, allowing your body to absorb energy quickly, making them perfect whether you're fueling up before a workout or recovering afterward. They are also rich in potassium, which helps support muscle function, reduce fatigue, and prevent cramps. Furthermore, they contain vitamin B6, which aids in the efficient metabolism of protein and energy. Combining these natural carbohydrates, bananas become an incredibly ideal source of fuel for building muscle and promoting overall recovery. Think bananas are just for gym-goers? Think again. Ripe bananas are actually beneficial for almost everyone. They are packed with fiber, which is excellent for digestion, helping you feel full longer and supporting a healthy gut. Beyond that, bananas contain natural antioxidants that are great for heart health and help reduce oxidative stress throughout your body. But the biggest problem is that bananas are actually quite inconvenient. Having to go buy them every day is a huge waste of time. Plus, many places don't sell them in small, individual portions. If you buy too much, they ripen incredibly fast, sometimes going soft or spoiling within just a few days. Beyond the storage issue, not everyone enjoys eating bananas straight out of hand. Many people prefer the feeling of drinking something cool and refreshing rather than sitting down to eat fruit. And when it comes to smoothies, traditional banana blends are often too thick and overly creamy, making them quite cloying to drink. And that's why banana milk becomes such a great solution. It still keeps all the nutrients from ripe bananas, but it's much easier to drink, more fragrant, and cooler. When you use frozen bananas, the banana milk will naturally be cold, creamy, and smoother without needing too much ice. It tastes more like a refreshing drink than like you're actually eating bananas. Just prepare the bananas once and freeze them. Whenever you need them, you can take them out and blend them with milk in just a few minutes. It's convenient, saves time, and also helps prevent waste when bananas ripen too quickly. This is also why so many people nowadays like storing frozen bananas at home. It's a simple but extremely effective solution for health, exercise, and busy daily life. Today, I'm going to guide you through everything from how to select bananas to how to properly freeze them. I'll also explain why this method helps keep your bananas tasting good for longer. First, you should choose bananas that are just ripe. Bananas with light brown spots are much sweeter. When bananas ripen, the starch converts into natural sugar. That's why they taste more fragrant and sweeter when used in drinks. You shouldn't use bananas that are still hard and green. Green bananas are less fragrant and can be astringent. Overly mushy bananas can still be frozen very well. This is also an extremely effective way to prevent food waste. Now we're going to peel the bananas. Make sure to peel off all the fibrous bits clinging to the banana skin. These fibers can make the drink less smooth. Now, get some small bags. Ziploc bags are best, but regular food storage bags will work too. Divide the bananas into small, individual portions. Each bag should contain enough for 2 or 3 servings of banana milk. This is a super helpful tip for later on. You won't have to defrost a whole large bag. It also prevents you from opening and closing the bag multiple times. This helps limit moisture and ice buildup on the bananas. Moisture in the freezer can cause the bananas to get freezer burn. Freezer-burned bananas will taste less good when blended. Now, press out as much air as you can from the bag. The less air there is, the better the bananas will retain their flavor. After that, fold the mouth of the bag neatly. Remember to fold the bag over twice like this to completely seal it. Now, put the bags in the freezer. You should lay the bags flat to save space. The bananas will freeze faster and more evenly. After just a few hours, they'll be ready to use. Frozen bananas can be stored for a very long time. This is a super useful meal prep tip. You just open the freezer and the ingredients are ready to go immediately. No more waiting for bananas to ripen every day. And now I'm going to make banana milk. Take a bag of frozen bananas. Put all the bananas into the blender. Next, add the fresh milk. I'll add a little bit of filtered water. The water helps make the mixture lighter and easier to drink. This isn't a thick banana smoothie. It's more of a smooth, lighter banana milk. The frozen bananas will naturally keep the drink cold, so we don't need ice. This helps keep the banana flavor richer. Frozen bananas also give it a natural creaminess. When blended, the small ice crystals in the banana make it feel creamier. That's why the drink becomes silky smooth, almost like a cream. If you want it sweeter, you can add honey or condensed milk. Now I'm going to try combining it with mango. Ripe mango is going to make the flavor much more fragrant. I cut up a ripe mango, removing the peel and the seeds. Since I already made the banana milk, all I have to do now is just add the mango flesh to the ready banana milk. Then, I blend it until it's really smooth. The color looks so beautiful right now. The banana gives it a natural, light creaminess. And the mango adds this wonderful, fragrant tropical flavor. These two fruits combine perfectly. Frozen bananas are really easy to combine with many other fruits. Besides making drinks, you can also use them to make banana ice cream, or even incorporate them into pancakes and baking. It's an incredibly versatile ingredient. Storing them properly will save you a lot of time and help reduce food waste. Low temperatures slow down the enzymes in bananas. So, the bananas won't over-ripen. At the same time, bacteria also grow much slower. This is why frozen food lasts so long. However, always use clean, airtight bags. This helps prevent odors from the freezer. The bananas will keep their natural flavor better. If you want it to be easier, you can write the freezing date on the bag. That way, managing your food is much easier. Every morning, you just need to take out a small bag. Put it in the blender, and you have a drink right away. You don't have to cut bananas every day anymore. And you don't have to worry about the bananas going bad too quickly. This is a small tip, but it's incredibly useful. Especially for those who love homemade drinks. Homemade banana milk always tastes more naturally fragrant. You can also adjust the sweetness yourself. And better control the ingredients. Frozen bananas also help the drink have a smoother, creamier texture. It feels like a drink you'd buy at a cafe. But it's much more cost-effective. You can finish it with just a few simple steps. From now on, don't waste ripe bananas. Just freeze them so you can use them gradually and conveniently. One batch can last you a whole week. You'll have delicious banana milk every day right at home. It's quick and saves you time. Plus, it helps reduce food waste. If you like this, try it out today. This video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you found the video interesting, please give it a like. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.